Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Evaluate yourself 7-2. Predict the number of unpaired electrons, single electrons in CO cobalt Cl4 2- ion on the basis of VPT, that means valency bond theory. First, we have to write the electronic configuration of metal and the ions. The d block element acts as central metal ion is now cobalt. Cobalt atomic number 27, electronic configuration argon 18. Next, according to alpha principle, electron entered into the 4s orbital 20. Remaining 7 electron enters into 3d orbital. Cobalt is 2+ oxidation state in this complex. How to write the IUPAC name of this complex? 4 chlorine we have. Therefore, tetrachlorido cobalt oxidation state to Roman numeral ion, tetrachlorido cobalt 2 ion. Now cobalt is in 2+ oxidation state. CO2+, we have to write the electronic configuration. That 2+ indicate loss of how many electron? 2 electron. If cobalt lost this 2 electron, now the electronic configuration becomes 3d7 4s0. 3d7 4s0. Now the 7 electrons in d orbitals are filled in 5 orientations of d orbital, 3d and 4s. D orbital has 5 orientation: xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. This is where 3d orbital, then 4s orbital. How many electron in 3d? 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electrons in same energy orbital. Write the nature of ligand. The ligand in the given complex is Cl-. Cl- is a weak field ligand. What is strong field ligand? A strong field ligand is one which pair all the unpaired electron. CO carbonyl, Cn cyanidocappa C, En ethane 1,2 diamine and amine are strong field ligand, others are weak field ligand. It is a weak field ligand, therefore it does not pair unpaired electrons. So the electronic configurations are same as before. So write once again the electronic box form, electronic configuration of cobalt 2+, same 3d, 5 orientation dxy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared, 4s orbital. Fill the electron in 3D and in 4s. 3D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is no pairing takes place. Now, what is the coordination number of cobalt 2 plus in this complex? What is meant by coordination number? Coordination number, number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and the ligand is coordination number. Coordination number of cobalt is 4, indicate that central metal ion must provide 4 vacant orbital. Central metal ion must provide 4 vacant orbital. Here it has only 1 vacant orbital. Therefore, the next orbital 4p also taken here, 4p. This is your 3D, then 4s, then 4p, 4p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4px, 4py, 4pz. This is 3D orbital and 4s. Here you have 4p. How many electrons you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 4Cl minus ion. Where vacant start? From 4s vacant start. 1 Cl, second Cl, third Cl, fourth Cl. Cl donate a pair of electron to the vacant orbital of central metal ion. To the vacant orbital of the central metal ion. Now, s orbital is here. P orbital, how many p orbitals are involved? 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals are involved in hybridization. If the hybridization is sp3, the geometry is tetrahedral geometry. The geometry is tetrahedral geometry. Now, number of unpaired electron in CO2 plus is number of unpaired electron in CO2 plus is 1, 2, 3, 3 unpaired electron. Presence of unpaired electron indicate that the complex is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic substances attracted by the magnetic field. Attracted by the magnetic field. From the value of unpaired electron, we can calculate magnetic moment. Magnetic moment. Magnetic moment mu s equal to root of n and n plus 2 Bohr magneton equal to root of number of unpaired electron equal to 3. So, when you substitute 3 and 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 and 3s are 15 electrons, 15, root 15, not 15 electrons, it is root 15. If root 15, the number of the value of root 15 is 3.86 Bohr magneton. Root of 3 and 3 plus 2 equal to root 15 equal to 3.86 Bohr magneton. Now, we are going to draw the tetrahedral structure of CO2 plus tetrachlorido cobaltate, cobaltate, 2 minus ion. Central metal ion is cobalt, cobalt. Where the ligands are present, above the plane, one ligand, above the plane, 3 bonds are in same plane and one bond is perpendicular to the plane. One bond is perpendicular to the plane. This is COCl4. What are the ligands we have? All the ligands are chlorido, Cl minus, 1 Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus. Charge on the complex is 2 minus. Cobalt is in 2 plus oxidation state. Cobalt is in 2 plus oxidation state. Charge on the complex is 2 minus. Now, there is one change in the IUPAC name of this compound. The IUPAC name is nothing but tetrachlorido cobaltate because it is an anionic complex. Cobaltate to ion. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.